Welcome back to the AutoReport channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the future of Mazda's SUV lineup with a first look at the 2026 Mazda CX-50. This is not just another crossover. It's a bold statement of Mazda's next-generation design language, blending aggressive sportiness with premium luxury. Let's take a closer look at what makes this SUV so special. Starting at the front, the 2026 CX-50 introduces a strikingly futuristic face. The iconic Mazda grille has been reimagined with a clean, bold design, complemented by ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch across the fascia. A continuous LED light strip integrated into the grille enhances the SUV's modern look, while proudly spelling out Mazda in illuminated chrome lettering. The sculpted front bumper, sharp aerodynamic lines, and blacked-out lower apron give it a muscular, performance-inspired presence. Moving along the side, the CX-50 embodies strength and sophistication. The wide stance, flared wheel arches, and deep character lines highlight its dynamic proportions. It rides on massive black multi-spoke alloy wheels with red accents, giving it an unmistakably sporty appeal. The contrast between the silver metallic body and the black aerodynamic body kit enhances the vehicle's futuristic aesthetic, while subtle curves add a touch of elegance to its bold SUV posture. At the rear, the 2026 CX-50 continues its modern identity with a sleek, full-width LED taillight bar. The Mazda lettering is prominently displayed across the tailgate, emphasizing brand pride. A sporty diffuser and dual exhaust outlets further amplify its athletic personality. The rear is aggressive yet refined, with details that perfectly balance everyday practicality with high-performance styling. Step inside, and the CX-50 welcomes you into a cabin that feels like a luxury lounge infused with futuristic technology. Diamond-stitched leather seats in a bold red and black two-tone finish create a sense of exclusivity. The dashboard is clean, modern, and driver-focused, with a wide floating digital display that stretches across the cockpit, seamlessly blending the instrument cluster with the infotainment system. Ambient lighting adds a sophisticated glow, while the panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the premium experience for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-50 is expected to continue Mazda's tradition of delivering both performance and efficiency. Rumors suggest a range of options: a refined Skyactiv-G turbocharged engine, a possible plug-in hybrid variant, and Mazda's advanced all-wheel drive system for maximum grip and confidence on any road. While official numbers are still under wraps, we can expect horsepower in the 250-plus range with impressive torque, ensuring this SUV isn't just about looks. It's about driving excitement, too. Mazda is likely to position the CX-50 competitively within the mid-size SUV market. Pricing is expected to start around $32,000 to $38,000, depending on the trim and powertrain configuration. As for the release date, industry insiders point toward a late 2025 to early 2026 launch, making it one of Mazda's most anticipated debuts for the decade. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 is more than just a crossover. It's a bold leap forward in design, performance, and luxury. With its futuristic styling, advanced interior, and strong performance options, it has the potential to redefine what we expect from a modern SUV. So what do you think? Is the new CX-50 a game changer in the SUV market? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our deep dives into the latest and greatest cars hitting the road. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep driving with passion.